What is going on, everybody? Today we have here a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. It's a GT and it is a hatchback, and we have the 2.0, and so I'm just gonna give you an idea what's going on. Maybe you have the same problem and you haven't figured it out. So it was giving two codes. I believe it was giving two codes. I think it was either random misfire, and it was giving the 1 or the 4th cylinder with the misfire. So they have replaced spark plug, they replaced the ignition coils, they switch them around. It was still giving those codes, and of course it was misfiring still. It was shaking a little bit. It was still, they were still driving it, but you know, it had the check engine on, and you know, it wasn't performing 100%. So they did that. So the next thing I did, I checked the compression on all of them. But obviously I always try to start with the number 1. So came that it had no compression at all, even, you know, just a tiny bit of compression, but almost nothing at all. And I did have compression on the number 4 cylinder, but on the number 1 I didn't have no compression at all. So next thing I did, I was trying to take it apart, see where the problem was, see if the valves were bent, or you know, sometimes you have a lot of I'm gonna say a lot of carbon build up on the valves. Sometimes they don't seal all the way. Probably won't see it. They won't seal all the way, so you want to have the right compression. So I took the valve cover off, and as I was turning the engine, I came across this. So right now the marks are where on top. The marks on top, they are where they need to be, and we are on top dead center. So the cylinder number 1 needs to be all the way to the top, and these two marks, they need to align. Of course, we're not gonna have the chain marks. We did timing marks on the cams because obviously the engine had been turned over. Okay, so one thing I want to show you, I'm going to turn the engine and I want you to see something real quick. Okay, so this is the timing chain tensioner. Okay, I'm going to turn the engine. So I don't know if you saw, but the tensioner is bad, and look at what we have here on top. So that's why it's giving those codes, because you know, the valves are not seating at the right time when it's time to make the compression. Hopefully they're not bent, because they were driving it for a while, and then when I took the timing chain cover off, timing chain where I think that the timing chain was rubbing on here, so it had a lot of, it had some quite of slack. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna time it again. I'm gonna replace, I think I have everything that I need. I have the guides, I have the timing chain, and obviously the important thing on it is obviously the timing chain tensioner making the problem. So so this was just a quick video. So if you're having the same problem, if you have already replaced the spark plug, the ignition coil, and it's still doing the same thing, probably you have a timing chain problem. All right, hope this video helps. I am planning on making a video on setting the new timing chain back on. I don't know when, but I will make a video on this if you need some reference. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks all for watching, and see you on the next video.